Hello guys, my name is JB Dan. Today I will show you how to create a web searcher, or in this case a program that can search on Google, or if you don't want to use Google you can use any search engine. So as you can see here, use any text editor. For this one it's simple, we are going to do a batch scripting, so I'm gonna use Atom for this tutorial. We are going to use Atom. Oh wait, you know what, just use Notepad. Now as you can see here, start typing. Now for those who already understand batch file, you probably, when you watch this tutorial, you probably understand what a batch file commands is. It's as basic as it gets. This is the label, and you probably already know the rest. Now this is the title for our batch file right here. This is the title command. You can use any title you want. Now I'm using this echo dot command, so what this does is pretty much straightforward. It leaves a space, an empty space, because we are going to need that so that our interface won't be cluttered. Set p. Now we're going to use the start command. Oh, that reminds me, make sure to save. Put it anywhere. In this case we are going to put it on desktop. Save as type all files. Name your batch file. Put it a .bat file extension. Remember, .bat here, .bat file extension. Now as you can see, this is the important part. The important part is you must choose what browser you want to choose. What browser you want to use for this application. Here I'm going to use Edge because Edge is by far the fastest. It's not true, Chrome itself is the fastest, but it's just have so much bloat that it becomes slow over the year. As you can see here, again, here I already pinned MS Edge. If you haven't pinned your favorite browser yet, search it, Edge. Open file location. Here we are going to see the shortcut. Show option, properties. Go to the properties. Now I want you to copy this, the target directory. Select all and copy that. Copy. Now as you can see here, what I want you to do is remove the quotation. Remove this, cut this directory, add a cd command. Now cd itself stands for change directory. Now this will be your browser folder path. This will be your browser file name, msh. Remove the .exe part, just use msh, and use your preferred search engine. Here I'm going to show you, just search test on Google. Now notice how there is this strange strings. Remove that string itself. Now search anything, and if it still appeared, don't worry. As you can see here, this is our search result test. What I'm going to do right here is just copy the search link. Okay, here it is, the search link, copy. Now the test part itself is basically our search result. It doesn't matter anyways, because it will still appear the same. Now message, paste that link. As you can see here, type percentage, after the percentage srch. Now this is the variable, it's called the batch file variable. We are simply calling this is the variable right here. Save. Now we are ready to go. Now as you can see here, it may take a while, but don't worry. If you decided to use a default web browser, then you can go ahead and remove the MSH part and the directory part right here. Now as you can see here, just save. Now every time it searches, it will automatically use the default browser. As you can see here, it opened Firefox. Now while it's searching, we see an error. Let's fix that. Oh yeah, we forgot to put CLS. There we go. As you can see here, this is the search result. So my default browser is Firefox. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to use other search engine, then you can. For example, here I'm going to use Bing for this matter right here. I mean, it's the same process. Here our search result cookie. Paste the link, edit your batch file, paste that. Although I have to admit, Firefox is really just slower, so we are going to use MSH for this job again. Here, and voila. If you are going to use a different search engine again, be sure to do the same thing that I just did. So basically, go to your preferred search engine, now as you can see here, this is our search result again, and copy. Always target your search result, and yeah, that's about it. That's it for now, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.